Okay, the next thing that you must know inside of Photoshop is how to convert text object to a shape and to pad. For example, if I want to make changes to these letters in here, for example, creating different types of typography, how can I change types of this layer to a shape layer, to a path, to being able to use these pin tool and these changing shapes tool to create different looks for my type? Okay, the first thing is that you have to create a text layer in here. You see that I have my text layer, and click in here and go to type, and here you see that I have two options: create workpath and convert to shape. Okay, let's talk about convert to shape. If I click on convert to shape, you see that it's now changing the type of this layer to the shape layer. And if I go to this direct path selection, you see that all of this are converted to shape, and I can change different parts of my letters like this and creating a very organic shape from my text. And most of the beginners of Photoshop users didn't familiar with these tools, and they're very powerful for typography. They're very good to create different kinds of look that you are not able to achieve that kind of looks with the fonts that you have been applied on your text. The other things is let's control Alt Z this, all of them, and okay, let's delete that. Let's create another text, for example, poly, and delete this and scale it up. And the first option is go to type and convert to workpad. It just change that type to a pad like this, and you can right click to select this and right click in here and change this to make selection and select that part of your image and apply that. If I open a new image in here and maybe this and put this to this image, and sorry, I have to deselect that, and once figure it out with them, put this in here and choose your text like this, and let's control D that. Choose your text and go to type, changes to create work type, and go to path direct selection and select all of them, right click, make selection, click OK. If I click on layer and create a mask, you see that it just created a mask around my path that I've created from my text, and it's very good. It's very time consuming. You can do it manually. You can select different parts of your text like this, and it's not good. I don't recommend this type of things, and you have to use these tools that have been added in the newer version of Photoshop to avoid time consuming and create powerful and create professional looks graphic.